Hello,
Hello, sir.
good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the class starting date and time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the last class we have discussed about factor of a polynomial.
Polynomial.
Factor of a polynomial. What is the meaning of a factor of a polynomial? Suppose fx is a polynomial. Suppose fx is a
Polynomial.
polynomial. If I am saying x minus a is the factor. X minus a is the
Factor.
factor of that factor of this polynomial. That means when I find x value and putting in place of a, it should become 0. It should become 0.
Zero.
That is the condition. Factor of polynomial means, suppose x minus a is a factor of a polynomial f of x. That means when I finding x equal to a, means taking a into right hand side and putting in the equation, putting in the polynomial, my answer should be 0. My answer should be
Zero.
0. Then we will learn factor theorem.
Here.
Factor theorem. Factor theorem is nothing but same thing. If f of x is a polynomial, f of x is a
Polynomial.
polynomial, and suppose x minus a, I am telling x minus a, if x minus a is the factor, if x minus a is the
Factor.
factor, that means x equal to a, that means x equal to
A.
a, then f of a, in place of x I am putting a value, must be equal to 0, must be equal to
Zero.
0. This is nothing but your factor theorem. Okay, then how to factorize linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means degree 1, degree
One.
1. Suppose this is a linear polynomial, we have to find the factor, we have to find the
Factor.
factor. How to find? You know how to find 0?
Yes, sir.
So f of x means 0 equal to 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. Okay,
Okay.
then 3x plus 3x equal to minus 1,
Sir. 3 by 1.
x equal to minus 1 by 3. This is how you find the 0.
Yes, sir.
Only take this minus 1 upon 3 to this side.
Okay, sir.
This is the factor, this is the
Factor.
factor. Then apply factor theorem. That means in place of x, if I am putting minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by
3.
3, our polynomial should equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
3 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel 0. That means x plus 1 upon 3, x plus 1 upon 3 is the factor, is the
Factor.
factor of a polynomial x, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. This is how we find factor of a linear polynomial, factor of a linear
Polynomial.
polynomial. But here the main concept is how to find factor of a quadratic
Polynomial.
polynomial. Quadratic
Polynomial.
polynomial. So actually two methods we are applying. One is splitting the middle term, one is
Putting
splitting the
middle term.
middle term, and second one is by applying factor theorem, by applying
Factor
factor
theorem.
theorem. Suppose I am writing one example, x square, it is for quadratic equation, sorry, quadratic polynomial. X square plus 7x plus 12. And remember, tell me, linear polynomial having how many factor? Linear polynomial?
One.
Quadratic polynomial? 2. Okay. Look, suppose this is our polynomial x square plus x square plus 7x plus 12. We have to find factor. We have to find factor. Find factor by using splitting the middle term, by using factor theorem. Okay. First we have to find by using splitting the middle term. Okay, look. Multiply coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay.
Okay.
First multiply
X.
coefficient of x square and constant. So it will be 1 into 12. It will become 12. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Prime factorize the product. Prime factorize the product. Whatever the value you get, you have to do the prime factorization. Okay? 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. The meaning of splitting the middle term is 7. The middle term is 7x.
3, 4.
7x. Yeah. So first 7. That means when you add and subtract, you have to get 7. Add and two number you have to choose. When you add and subtract, you will get 7x, and when you multiply, you will get 12. So look, this prime factorization gives you the idea how to rearrange these numbers to get add and subtract 7x and multiply 12. But 4 and 3, 4 and 3. I am rearranging 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 7x, and 4 into 2, 4 into 3 you know na 12.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to split the middle term only. X square plus 4 plus 3x plus 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Now look this first two term. One is x square, one is 4x. X square means x into x.
Yes.
4x means 4 into x. So what is the common thing? Look here. In these two terms, x.
X.
X is the common term. So after x, from x square, one x we took common. Remaining another x. Plus. Here 4, here we took 4. X. 4 is remaining. Okay. Then look the second term. 3x and 12. How 3x is formed? 3 into x. How 12 is formed? 3 into 4. Why I am break down into 3 into 4? Because look, common thing. We are finding common thing. If I am taking common as 3, the remaining is x plus 4. Okay. After doing this, if you get this and this equal, then your prime factor, then you are splitting the middle term is correct. Then I am taking, look, here x plus 4, here x plus 4. I am taking x plus 4 as a common. X plus 4 as a common. The remaining is here x, here 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then from here I got the 2 factor. X plus 4, x plus 3. Okay.
Okay.
2 factor because it is quadratic, so I get 2 factor. One is x plus 4 and another one is x plus 3. Another one is x plus 3. Okay. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
From here, if you have to find 0, only took right hand side. Only took right hand side. X equal to minus 4 and x equal to minus 3. X equal to
minus 3.
minus 3. Sir, if this is 2 factor, if I put in this equation, sorry, if I put in this polynomial, I will get 0 according to factor theorem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check once. Xx square plus 7x plus 12. One of the factor is x plus 4. One of the factor is
X plus 4.
x plus 4. Then x equal to how much? Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Then p of a minus 4 equal to minus 4 square plus 7 into minus 4. 7 into
Minus 4.
minus 4 plus 12. Minus 4 is 16. Minus 28 plus 12. Cancel. Now look 0. You are getting 0 now. If you are getting 0, that means 100% I can say x plus 4 is the factor of x plus 4 is the factor of a polynomial x square plus 7x plus 12. Okay,
Okay.
you understand?
Yes, sir.
But here our main intention is how to find factor by using splitting the middle term. We understand how to find the splitting the middle term. Then second thing is how to find by using factor theorem. Step number 1, prime factor. Step number 1, check the coefficient of x square. Check the coefficient of
X square.
x square. It should be 1. It should be
1.
1. This is the first step. Check here 1. Here 1. Okay. Then prime factorize constant term. Finding the factor of a constant term. Not prime factor, only factor. Find factor of a constant term. Find factor of a constant
Term.
term. Okay, look, 12. 12 having how many factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay. Then 12 equal to, you have to take plus minus. Okay. Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus
4.
4, plus minus 6,
5.
plus minus 12. These are the factors. Then heat and trial method. Heat and trial method means put each value and check whether you are getting 0 or not. If you are getting 0, that is the factor. Okay. Suppose I am putting minus 1. Why I am not putting plus 1? Because look, your equation, your polynomial is in plus. If I put plus 1, is there any possibility I will get 0? No. That's why minus 1. That means p of minus 1. Minus 1 square plus 7 into minus 1 plus 12. 1 minus 7 plus 12. No, I am not getting 0. When I am putting 1, I am not getting 0. Then put minus 2. Then put minus 2. Minus 2 square 4. Minus 7 into 4, 28. Plus 12. No. In this case also I am not getting 0. Minus 3. Check with a minus 3. Minus 3 square plus 9. 7 into minus 3, 21 plus 19. Look, here I am getting 0.
Yes, sir.
That means x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3. So this is the 0 na. Factor is x plus 3. Factor is x plus
3.
3. Then some check with the minus 1 we get x equal to, sorry, x plus 3. One factor we get x plus 3. Then same check with the remaining factor, because quadratic polynomial, so we have to get 4, at least 2, x minus 4 of now, minus 4 square 16, 28 plus 12. Yes, here also I'm getting 0. Then x plus x equal to minus 4, x equal to 4, x equal to 4. Then look, in both the cases I am getting x plus 4, x plus 3 na. In splitting the middle term, my two factors are x plus 4, x plus 3. In factor theorem also, x plus 3, x plus 4. That means now you understand how to find factor by using splitting the middle term of a quadratic polynomial, or by using factor theorem. Okay. Then come to quadratic polynomial. Sorry, cubic. Cubic. How to find factors for a cubic polynomial. For cubic polynomial, look the example number 9 we have already completed. Okay. Then 10. Look, this is the polynomial is x cube minus 23 x square 23 plus 142x minus 120. Here also check the step number 1. Check the coefficient of x cube. It must be 1. X cube coefficient must be 1. Then okay, tell me one thing. Tell me. Suppose here 120, here 120. Then find the factor of 1. Find the factors of a constant term. Constant. If coefficient 1, then find factor. 120 factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. Then after 15, 20, 24, 30, 60, another number itself. Okay, these are the factors. So write down factors. Write down all the factors, and while writing took both plus and minus. Plus minus 1,
plus minus 2,
plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, and so on. Okay. Then trial. This is called trial. Trial means same thing. You have to take x value plus 1. Suppose I am taking plus 1. Suppose I am taking plus 1. That means p of 1 equal to 1 q equal to 1 q 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. Okay. 1 q is 1 minus 23 into 1 23 plus 142 minus 120. Okay. Plus 142 plus 1, it will be 143.
yes, sir.
Minus 120 minus 23 minus 143. Look, in the first case you are getting 0. Fortunately we are getting 0. Until we get 0 we have to do these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That means 1 we got x equal to 1. This is the 0. This is the zeros. But we have to find the factor x minus 1. Okay, tell me. If a cubic polynomial, how many factors it will have?
3.
3. Okay, now look, in first step you have to do hit and trial method. Means you have to find the factor of a constant term. Then by putting each of the factor, check whether you are getting 0 or not. At least you have to find 1. At least you have to find 1. After finding 1, what should you do? Look. Okay, you know division?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to do the division.
Log
Okay.
division method, sir.
Yeah, division method. Now we have to look. We get one factor. For getting another 2, we have to do the division. X square minus 23 x square plus 142 minus 130. Why we are doing division? Look, suppose my number is 6. My one factor is 2. My one factor is 2. For getting another factor, if I divide the number by 2, I will get another factor, na? 3 is another factor, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Same thing we are doing here. But the division is a little bit twist. Look, by x minus 1. By x minus 1.
Sir, and you it already.
Yeah,
And you it already.
you do it.
Yes, sir. In 8th grade they taught me, sir.
Okay, look. X minus 1. First you tell me. What you multiply with x? Your answer become x cube.
X cube.
Yeah,
X into 3.
x cube,
X cube, okay. X square.
x square. That means here I have to multiply by x square. Then x square into x become x cube. Become x cube. Again this x square minus 1.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 1. Minus 1 into x square. It will be how much?
X square.
Minus x square.
Minus x square.
Okay. Then look, x cube symbol is plus. So you have to put minus. Here x square plus minus. We have to change the symbol into plus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Minus plus cancel. Minus 23x square plus x square. Look. Minus 23x square plus x square. It will be how much?
22x square.
Minus 22 minus
22x square.
and remaining term you have to write like this. Then tell me. Look. Ax is there, you have to convert ax from x to minus 22x square. How will you get? What you multiply with ax, that your result. Okay, for 22 getting 22, I'm multiplying with minus 22. Minus 22 x. X into x square minus plus minus minus 22. Okay? Minus 22x into x. It will be minus 22 x square. Then minus plus. First you write plus. Then 22x minus 22x into 1. 22x into 1. It will be how much? 22x. 20. Change the symbol. Here minus plus. Here plus minus. Minus 22x square plus 22x square cancel. Look here. 142x minus 22x. It will be how much?
Oh,
Plus
120x.
120x minus 120 minus 120. So tell me.
Sir, 120x. Hey, 120x.
Look, you have to multiply what with x. Your answer should be 120x. X is x here. Multiply by 120 plus 120 plus 120. 120x into x. It will be 120x plus minus minus 120 into 120. You change the symbol. It is minus
Plus minus minus.
minus. It will be minus. Okay. Cancel, cancel. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0.
0.
Now,
Sir,
yeah.
120 minus 120 minus 120 also.
Plus 120 minus 1. It will be minus 120. Then symbol change. Okay.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Then. Okay. Now you look. Hmm. Till now you are not getting the factor.
Not
Okay. Your polynomial is x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. This is your given polynomial. Okay. Do you know division theorem? Means dividend equal to divisor into divisor into quotient plus remainder. 6 divided by 2. 6 3 2 3 ja 6 0. Dividend means 6 equal to divisor means 2 into quotient 3 plus remainder. Look, you are getting same number na?
yes.
Okay. That means in division, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Same thing you apply. Here this is your dividend. This is your dividend equal to this is your divisor.
Divided.
This is your quotient. And this is your remainder. It should be equal, na?
Yes, yes.
Then what should we do? Look. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You know how to find the factor?
Yes, sir.
Multiply 120. Took the prime factorization of 120. 120 to 60 to 30. Here I am applying splitting the middle term. 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. 5 3 ja 30. 2 ja 60. 2 ja 5 3 ja 15. 2 ja 30. 2 ja 60. 2 ja 120. Okay. We have to arrange this number to when we add and subtract. We will get 22. When you multiply to get 120. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look. Uh, First I am multiplying 2 into 2 into 2. 8 into 15. When I am multiplying getting 120, but add and subtract not possible. Add and subtract not possible. Okay. Then what should we do? When add and multiply, add and subtract 22.
Sir, 15 plus 8, 122.
120, but it will never give. When
Sir, 15 plus 8.
when you subtract, it will give 7. When we add, it will give 23. So this combination not. Okay, okay, okay. Just wait. Uh, 10 plus 12. Check. 10 plus 12 means 5 into 2. 10. 3 into 2 into 4. 12 na. So check 10 plus 12. Yeah, it's getting na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to be careful when you are rearranging the number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then, okay, we got the number. X square minus 10 plus 12. 10 plus
12.
12x plus 120 plus 120. X square minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. Look here, x square, that means x into x. Here minus 10x, sorry 10x, it will be 10 into x. Look, common term is x, common term is x. When I am taking x from the x square, remaining is x, remaining is
X.
from minus 10x minus 10 minus
10.
10. Then look, minus 12x 120, minus 12x contain 12x 120. I can write 12 into 10 na. Look, in bracket you have to get x minus 10, x minus 10. So outside what you took? Common. Common is 12. Common is
12.
12. You have two conditions. You can take plus 12, you can take minus 12. But in bracket you have to get x minus 10 na.
Yes, sir.
If you took outside plus 12, suppose you are taking plus 12. Suppose you are taking plus 12. Okay, plus 12 into x plus 12x. But here is the answer is minus 12 na. So took minus. Took minus. Minus 12 into x. Minus 12 into x. Minus minus. The minus plus minus. Minus minus plus. Okay. So 1 is x minus 10. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
And another one is x minus 12. X minus 12.
12.
You got the 3 factor. You got the 3 factor. From the heat and trial method, you get x minus 1. From these two, you got x minus 10 and x minus 12. Okay. Now you understand or having any doubt?
No, sir.
And look, apply the factor theorem. Factor theorem means if these are the factor, when I put this value in the polynomial, the whole polynomial should equal to 0 na.
Yes, sir.
So only checking for 1. Suppose I am taking x equal to minus x equal to x minus 12, x minus 12, that means x equal to 12. Okay, so p of 12, p of 12 equal to 12q minus 23 into 12 square minus 142 into 12 minus 120. 12q 12 multiply 3 times, 12 multiply
3 times.
12 into 12 into 12, it will be 1728. When you multiply, it will give you 1728 minus 23 minus 23 into 12 square 144, 144. The minus 23 into 144 minus 142 into 12, 1704, 1704. Am I doing anything mistake? 12 into 12 into 12, 1728. X minus 12, x equal to 12, 12q minus 23x square minus 142 into 12 minus 120. This is plus or minus, check once in the book. Minus 142x or plus 122x?
Sir, I don't have.
You don't have book, na?
No, sir.
This is plus, look. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is plus, then 120. Okay, 1728 minus 23 into 144, it will be 3312 plus 1704 minus 120. 1728 plus, these two are plus na. 1728 plus 1704 3432 3432. This is also 3432 3432. Minus minus cancel, it will give you 0. Look, 0 means 100% it is a factor, na?
Yes, sir.
You understand or having any doubt?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Look, this is the factor theorem, or you can apply splitting the middle term. This is by using heat and trial method. Look, we did everything as like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then come to exercise 23. Exercise 2.3. Yes. Look the question. First, read the question carefully. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. Okay. The question is saying there is a polynomial x, sorry, there is a factor, factor x plus 1, and we have to find below are some polynomial. We have to find, is this x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, or this, or this, or this. Okay. Then what should we do? Okay, we know from the factor theorem, if factor is x plus 1 of any polynomial, suppose there is a polynomial p of x, and I am telling this is the factor of this polynomial, that means when I find the x value and putting in this polynomial, my polynomial should give 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then look how to do. Suppose p of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. If x plus 1, if x plus 1 is the factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, then x equal to minus 1, minus 1, then p of minus 1 should be equal to 0, 0. Then put p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Minus 1 cube, minus 1 cube minus 1 plus minus 1 square 1 plus minus minus 1 plus 1. So look, it cancel and you will get 0. Okay.
Okay.
Since p of minus 1 equal to 0, that means x plus 1 is the factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You understand how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to next question. X raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power q by x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. This is the polynomial. If x plus 1 is the is the factor of x cube plus x raised to the power 4 x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, then x equal to minus 1. That means p of minus 1 should be equal to 0. This is from factor theorem. Now we know from factor theorem. So p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay?
Okay.
Minus 1 raised to the power 4. Remember, if a negative number multiplying even time, that means 100% you will get positive. If negative number multiplying odd time, you will get negative. Even positive or negative. Okay?
Okay, sir.
1 minus 1 4 1 2 3 4 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, this one cancel, this one cancel, remaining is 0 1. So since p of minus 1 does not equal to 0, that means x plus 1 is not a factor, of x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay?
Okay.
Then third question. X cube 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. This is the polynomial. X raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 3 plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay. If x plus 1 is the factor of x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1, then x equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
That means p of minus 1 should equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 raised to the power cube or minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 power 4 even 1 plus 3 into minus 3 power 3 into minus 1 power odd, so minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square even 3 plus minus 1 plus 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
These three cancel, 1 cancel, so 1 minus 3 plus 3. Again we are getting 1 minus 1 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, minus 1 raised to the power 4 1 3 into minus 1 power cube, it will be minus 3, then plus 3 because minus 1 square is 1 na? Minus 1, yeah. So since p of minus 1 does not equal to 0, so it is not a factor. Like this you have to check. Okay?
Okay.
if I have make some silly mistake, you have to, when you are doing, you understand how to do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then come to next question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of a p of x in each of the following cases. Same like this, don't be confused. Okay, here it is telling p of x is a polynomial. Suppose 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. If g of x, if g of x is the factor, that means x equal to minus 1. That means p of x, so p of minus 1 should equal to 0. Put the value. If 0, then that means correct. If no, then not a factor. Okay. Question number 1, question number 2 same, only change the question type. Then come to question number 3. Are you understand or not? Question number 1 and 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Question number 3. Find the value of a k if x minus 1 is a factor of a p of x. That means it is clearly telling p of x is a polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial, x minus 1 is the factor. X minus 1 is the factor. This is given. Given p of x is a polynomial. That means x and x minus 1 is the factor. That means x equal to plus 1.
Yes, sir.
That means p of x, sorry, p of 1 equal to 0. This is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have to find the k value. We have to find the k value. So p of x equal to x square plus x plus k. So p of 1, because x value is 1, na?
Yes.
1 square plus 1 plus k. P of 1 is how much? 0, because it is the factor. Already it is given the factor. 1 plus 1 plus k. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus k. 2 plus k equal to 0, k equal to minus 2. Okay. The question number 1 and 2 and question number 3. The difference is in question number 1 and 2, we have to check whether it is 0 or not, means factor or not. But in question number 3, it is telling x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, that means x equal to 1. That means p of 1 100% give you 0. Then p of 1 I am writing and find the k value. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Then come to question number 2. Same. P of x equal to 2x square plus kx plus root 2. Okay. P of 1, because x value is 1. 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. P of 1 is 0, because x minus 1 is the factor. 2 plus k plus root 2 plus root 2. So here look, k plus 2 plus root 2. It never be added because different equal to 0. K equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then come to third. P of x equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Okay,
Okay.
p of 1 k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. It is 0 equal to k minus root 2 into 1 minus root 2
Into 1.
plus 1. So k minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. K equal to root 2 if it go to the side plus root 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
P of x equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. P of 1 equal to k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k. 0 equal to k minus 3 plus k plus k plus k 2k 2k minus 3. So 2k minus 3 equal to 0, 2k equal to 3, k equal to 3 by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then come to the important part, that is factorize. Look, question number 4, all are a quadratic polynomial. All are a
Quadratic polynomial.
quadratic polynomial. How many way are there for solving quadratic polynomial? 2.
2.
One is splitting the middle term, splitting the middle term,
Splitting the middle term.
otherwise factor theorem.
Factor.
Theorem. I am doing by splitting the middle term, but you have to do by both the method. Means
Okay, sir.
splitting the middle term as well as a factor
Factor
theorem.
theorem.
Okay, the first one only I am doing one. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay,
Okay, sir.
look, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Multiply the coefficient term and the constant term.
Okay.
It will give you 12. Then prime factorize the 12. Okay, and then okay, or directly we get when you multiply 12 to 7, add and subtract 4 plus 3 na.
Yes.
12x square minus 4 plus 3 x plus 1. 12x square minus 4x plus 3x plus 1. Think, 12x square, it is made by 3 into 4 into x into x, and minus 4x, sorry 4x, minus 4x, minus 4 into x. So we should take as common 4x. If I took 4x as common, from here remaining is x, from here minus 1. Okay,
Okay.
in the second term you look 3x plus 1, that is 3x 1, we should take as common. You should get x minus 1. Did I make some mistake? X minus 1. Which one should take account? Oh, this is 3x. So if I took plus 1, okay, because plus 1, 3x, plus 3x, plus 1, minus. This will be,
Sir, minus 1. Take minus 1, sir.
okay, if taking minus 1,
First one will be
oh,
plus.
it is minus 3.
Okay, sir.
Because minus plus minus, na?
Okay, sir.
We did mistake, that's why. Okay. Missed. So number 1 is 4x minus 1, and another one is 3x minus 1. These are the two factors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
During calculation, be careful. Okay.